stunning Elgin pocket watch, grade 270. The 21 Jewel gold-filled case. The case does show brassing on the edges. Beautiful crown. It has a double sunk porcelain dial. That's a mint condition. It's a lever set. And a stem wind. It's 10-karat roll gold filled. Movement is beautiful. Has a gold jewel setting, gold gear train, finger bridge. Movement has beautiful damaskeening, and it has been serviced, and it does come with a 1-year warranty. It has acrylic crystal. Overall, the pocket watch is in beautiful condition. Please take a look at our other listings on eBay.